Alright, everybody.
Lows in the lower 70s.
After meeting Antarctic, I hate that ad. But anyway, after meeting Antarctic, I just got a notification saying severe thunderstorm watch.
Partly cloudy with a 50%.
So we're going to see here what's going to happen.
Lows in the lower
I have my radio on,
Monday, mostly cloudy.
and the Marion, Illinois transmitters. Here it comes. See? I told you guys. This one will go first, and then that one. Okay, there's one.
This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Franklin, Hardin, Jackson, Johnson, Massac, Perry, Pope, Pulaski, Saline, Union and Williamson, and Ballard, Kentucky. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 4 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Franklin, Jackson, Johnson, Massac, Perry, Pope, Pulaski, Saline, Union and Williamson, and Ballard, Kentucky.
Okay, guys. Let's see if it comes on the TV.
Local forecast today.
Hang on.
Sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Then cloudy with
All right.
showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
See, it should come over. Let's go to the EAS channel. How comes it not on? Oh, it will. So, guys, I've been enjoying Club Penguin, as you saw. I just uploaded. Where's my mouse? Okay, it was on the other side.
You got an update now. Breaking news.
Yeah, not from the country.
There it is.
Severe thunderstorm watch, meaning severe thunderstorms are a good possibility as we go through the remainder of your afternoon. This is through 9 p.m. tonight, includes much of southwestern Indiana, southern Illinois, the Boot Hill, Missouri, western Tennessee, and also western Kentucky. That's where we have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings here, trying to work their way towards the Ohio River Valley. Here, this one right along I-55. This one certainly got a hail core with it. Certainly extremely heavy rainfall. There's more rain moving right over that same area that has been hit hard by the severe thunderstorm. This one's got some strong winds with it.
Yeah, that came over.
Miles per hour, likely moving towards I-64 in the coming.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Well, where's the
Where we are watching storms approach from the southwest.
Oh, there's Alexa saying from the local on the 8th. Where's the EAS?
Here in the Hoosier State shows you the kind of instability we're dealing with here.
Where's the EAS?
Yeah, this is going to be a spot to watch, especially for this evening as storms push through. Likely going to have several rounds of storms, so we may get hit with a
This is pouring now.
Thunderstorm in the next hour or so, Jackie, and then again by dinner time tonight. Some of these could back up.
Here, let's just look at the previous alerts. We have severe thunderstorm watch, severe weather statement, severe thunderstorm warning. While that came on, I was meeting Antarctic. Here, guys, let me show you so I can close this out. Just uploaded. There's the Mascots Info Discord. Up there, it came over AccuWeather. It came over AccuWeather before it even went over the weather radios. Usually the weather radio's ahead. Where's my friends? Oh, there's Twayson in danger over there. I talk to Twayson a lot. He's a mod. Really good friends with him. See, there he is. Shout out to you, Twayson. Don't think he'd ever watch my videos. Friend him, guys. He's a nice person. He doesn't friend very many people. Alright, everybody. That's it. I'm going to show you guys my background. Where's my friend at? Where is she? Because I see her in person almost every day. She's still playing Sound Studio. Alright. Let me show you guys the new background. See? Then yesterday I also met Dot. I have her background too. And I'll show you guys my stamp book. My account, whoops. Go back over there. Wait, hang on. My account's 34 days old. And I already have 122 stamps. Let me show you guys. Rory, I didn't get his stuff, and then Dot, and then Antarctic. Well, everybody, I guess that's it. The severe thunderstorm watch isn't going to come over the TV. I'm not even going to worry about the local on the 8s. Uh-oh, I need to mute all this. I can have my music playing. See? Alright, everybody, that's it.